Ed, hey, sorry for the crazy lighting in here, my friend. Thanks for that personal email reaching out after 2 weeks in the program. It's awesome. I love your program so far, man. It's really good. It's helped me get a lot of clarity. Just last week, I jumped onto one of the clinics to help with my messaging for my HVG. Super helpful. As a matter of fact, I just posted in school, my first post in school, asking for feedback on some of the changes that I made to my messaging in there. So yeah, I'm not really stuck anywhere right now. I'm through the first couple modules and I'm working on the tech. I had wanted to get my ads live in 3 weeks, um, and then I got a little bit too ambitious. I'm sure you know all about that. And I wanted to turn them on this Monday, but I was nowhere even close. So then I was shooting for today, not quite there yet. So hopefully this weekend. 3 weeks is next Monday, so hopefully this weekend I actually flick them on. But I still have a few more tech things to clean up before I can actually do that. And definitely hearing what kind of feedback I get is going to be super helpful. So anyway, I'm not really stuck. I'm just going through it. So yeah, I look forward to finally sinking my teeth into some sales calls on my new program. And yeah, I'm gonna hit that 10K by the end of the month. All right, peace, brother.